Hello students, today we are going to continue with our chapter Deep Water. Okay, in the past two lectures we studied about the initial stages William Douglas went through on his journey of hydrotherapy. Okay, first he developed an aversion. Okay, when he was 3 or 4. Then when he was 10 or 11 years old, he got a misadventure in water. And what was the result of this misadventure? He developed a tap. Okay, in his heart regarding that water, regarding water. Okay, तो उसके मन में क्या हो गया? उसके हार्ट में एक टेरर क्रिएट हो गया. टेरर जो है इंसेप्ट हो गया किसको लेकर? पानी को लेकर. और ये उसके साथ कहाँ पर हुआ था? YMCA पूल पे, when he was thrown into the water. Okay, so we have completed the half of the journey traveled by Douglas. Means in this half portion we have studied about how he developed that aversion and that was converted into misadventure. Now we will read about the journey. We will read about the story, how he overcame, and we will read about the efforts made by Douglas to overcome that particular fear of water. Okay. So let's start from page number 27 and second last paragraph. A few years later, when I came to know the waters of Cascades. Cascades is a group of waterfalls. Okay, waterfalls. And when he came to know that about the beauty of this waterfall Cascades and the scenic beauty of that particular place, and he learned that his friends or his colleagues or his neighboring people used to visit that particular place. So when he got to know about the waters of Cascades, I wanted to get into it. He had an urge to go there. He had a desire to go there and enjoy that water. Okay. And whenever I did, and whenever he went to Cascades, whenever he went to that particular place, what happened? Whether I was wading the Teton or bumping river or bathing in the warm lake of the Goat Falls, means whether he was in the Teton or bumping river or whether he was warm lake, bathing in the warm lake of that is situated between Goat Falls. The tab is whether he was warm lake, whether he was Teton or bumping river. He is saying that the terror that had seized me in the pool would come. The same terror that developed at YMCA pool would come. Okay, कि भाई जैसे ही वो इस तरह से वाटर बॉडीज में जाता, किसी लेक में जाता, रिवर में जाता, तो क्या होता? वही the old fear, the old terror that had got developed at YMCA pool returned. Okay, and what happened to him? It would take possession of me completely. It had overpowered him completely. It had controlled him completely. My legs would become paralyzed, and whenever he was in water, his legs got paralyzed. Icy horror would grab my heart. And a horror means what kind of horror? Icy horror. Icy horror that इसमें क्या हो जाए? उसमें जिसमें आपका blood circulation freeze हो जाए, body functions आपके freeze हो जाए. That kind of fear वो उसको झपट लेता, मीन्स उसकी बॉडी एक तरह से क्या हो जाती है? फ्रीज हो जाती है, जम जाती है. तो that kind of fear he experienced whether he was in the warm lake or whether he was in the bumping. So ये नहीं है कि भाई उसने हो सकता है उसको लगा कि भाई हो सकता है कि जो मेरा टेरर था वो YMCA पूल को लेकर हो, मेरा टेरर यकीमा रिवर को लेकर हो. तो उसने अलग अलग he went to lake, he went to different things और अलग अलग जगह पर वो गया, अलग अलग तरीके से उसने ट्राई किया, but every time he came across with the same fear or same terror. This handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by. Years passed by, but this handicap, but this weakness stayed with him. ये उसके साथ ही रही. It never left him. In canoes is a kind of boating जहाँ पर एक सिंगल ब्लेड लाइक जो है आपके पास, उससे आपको क्या करना होता है? बोट को रो करना होता है, चलाना होता है. On many lakes, fishing for landlocked salmon. Salmon is a kind of fish. Okay, so he was saying that whether he was going for fishing salmon. Okay, bass fishing in New Hampshire, whether he was, bass is also a type of fish, whether he was going for a bass fishing in New Hampshire, trout fishing is also name of fish. on the Descetus and Metellus in Oregon, fishing for salmon on the Columbia, and salmon again, whether he was going for salmon fishing on Columbia, and Bumping Lake in the Cascades, or whether he was going in Bumping Lake of Cascades. Wherever I went, he's saying that he tried so many different places, so many different water places कि भाई हो सकता है कि इस particular जगह को लेकर मुझे डर हो, let's try something different one, let's try something different one. तो अलग-अलग जगह, he went to Columbia, he went to Bumping Lake, he went to New Hampshire, he went to Warm Lake, but he's saying wherever I went, wherever he went, the haunting fear of water followed me. This fear, this terror of water kept following me. ये उसका क्या करता रहा? पीछा. Okay, it always stayed with me. It ruined my fishing trips. It destroyed his fishing trips. Deprived me of the joys of canoeing, boating, and swimming. And it removed him, and it took away the joys of canoeing, boating, and swimming. Means all these activities, fishing, canoeing, boating, and swimming are related with water. Okay, you are to go through some water body. तो इससे क्या हुआ कि because of that fear, he is saying that he was unable to enjoy these things. He found himself unable to enjoy whether it is swimming or it is canoeing, or it is boating, or it is fishing. Okay, all these joys were snatched away from him. And as I told you in that the particular place he lived at, okay, that was surrounded by different waterfalls, and water was the main source of adventure, the main source of fun, entertainment for those people. So he was finding that a fun element from his life was removed. वो अपने आप को उतना enjoy नहीं कर पा रहा था जितना उसके बाकी friends, because they love swimming, because they had no fear of water. तो किसी तरह से वो अपने इस weakness को, इस handicap को remove. Okay, so what did he do? I used every way I knew to overcome this fear. And he is saying that he tried everything he could. Okay, everything he could to overcome this fear of water was tried by him. Okay, उसने हर चीज को try किया. But it held firmly in its grip. लेकिन in place of getting loosened, loose होने के बजाय the terror was getting its grip tight on his heart, on his mind. है ना, कम होने के बजाय उसको और ज्यादा टाइटली अपने जो है ग्रिप में लेना था. That is terror. Okay. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. And when he was unable to do it at his own, अकेला जब नहीं कर पाया, तो finally he used the last possible way that he got an instructor to have the coaching of swimming. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week, and started practicing for 5 days a week, an hour each day and 1 hour for each day. The instructor put a belt around me. Okay, and what did he do next? A rope attached to the belt went through a pulley that ran on our overhead cable. A cable was attached to the head, okay, and a pulley was put up there. तो क्या किया इंस्ट्रक्टर ने, उसकी बेल्ट से एक रोप अटैच की और उस पुली से उसको दूसरे एंड से उसने उसको कैच कर पकड़ा. ओके, ही हेल्ड ऑन टू द एंड ऑफ द रोप. उसने उसको क्या किया, दूसरे एंड पे दूसरे रोप, एक जो एंड था रोप का उसको बेल्ट से टाई कर दिया और दूसरे एंड को उसने हेल्ड कर, ठीक है, उसको अपने हाथ में पकड़ेगा. एंड वी वेंट बैक एंड forth and he started moving up and down, means one side from one side to the other side of the pool. Back and forth across the pool, hour after hour, day after day, and week after. Means it took him hours, then it took him weeks, then it took him months. Okay, to practice for that thing. On each trip, across the pool, a bit of panic seized me. Whenever he was in the pool, a bit of panic, थोड़ा करके जो pain है ना, उसको that seized him, that controlled him. He experienced the same kind of pain in the water. Okay. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope and I went under. Each time what happened means जैसे एक दिन हो जाता तो उसको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस फील होता, तो नेक्स्ट डे जब वो वापस से पूल में प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आते तो he relaxed that, थोड़ा उसको ढीला. Okay. And I went under, and some of the old terror returned, and my legs froze. But देखिए ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से उसने उस फियर को काबू कर लिया, कंट्रोल कर लिया. जब भी वो पानी के अंदर जाता, whenever he was in the pool, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके in pieces, okay, a bit of panic seized him. उसको फिर से जो है वो डर लगता. Each time that is, some of the old terror returned, and my legs froze. And whenever he felt that terror, his legs, same thing happened to him, that his legs refused to move, that got frozen, okay? that got paralyzed. Okay, it was 3 months before the tension began to slack, to lessen, to decrease. It took him 3 months, only 3 months to decrease that tension. Okay. So it shows the intensity, so it shows the spirit, that you are, how much you are interested to overcome your weakness. Okay, means if you think that you have weakness and you can overcome that in a minute, in an hour, or in an hour, or in a day, that is not possible. You have to work for a long time. You have to fight. You have to struggle for a long time to overcome that. So he said that it took him 3 months to begin to decrease that tension. Okay, leave the swimming skills, leave aside the swimming skills, or that kind of things कि आपको कैसे करना है, कैसे नहीं करना है. Only 3 months to decrease the tension. Okay, now then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale. And next thing, how to put then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale. Then exhale, breathe out. कैसे आप पानी में आपका फेस है, तो how can you breathe? Okay, this skill was taught to him by the instructor. And to raise my nose and inhale. And what is the essential thing for inhaling? To breathe in the water. How to raise the nose, and then you can inhale. I repeated the exercise hundreds of times, and और देखिए क्या है कि एक एक्सरसाइज और he is repeating them for hundreds of times. Okay, one single exercise of exhaling, he repeated that for 100 times. One single exercise of inhaling, he repeated that for 100 of times. Okay. Bit by bit, I shed part of the panic that seized me when my head went under. Bit by bit, in pieces, he managed to remove that. He managed to remove that panic. Which panic? That seized him when he was in the water. कि जब वो पानी में होता था, तो जो फियर उसको जकड़ लेता था, उसको कंट्रोल कर लेता था, उसको बिट बाय बिट मींस थोड़ा थोड़ा करके he managed to remove that panic or that fear or that terror from his. Next, he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs. Next thing, he caught him by his hands. Okay, he sat down on the edge of the pool and he caught his hands and made him to move his feet, legs. ये आप सिर्फ जो है पैडलिंग कीजिए, पैरों के मूवमेंट्स कीजिए. For weeks I did just that, and for weeks he repeated only that single exercise. Okay, so this is showing that how can you overcome your weakness. That means divide it into different parts. Okay, in the passage is for students as well कि भाई आपको किसी चैप्टर में, किसी यूनिट में डिफिकल्ट है, तो डिवाइड इट इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. ओके, और डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में आप क्या करने की बात कीजिए कि एक सिंगल पीस पे यू कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, काफी टाइम तक प्रैक्टिस. जैसे उसने किया कि जो है स्विमिंग इज एन इंटीग्रेटेड एक्सरसाइज, जिसमें आपको एक्सेलिंग, इनहेलिंग, पैडलिंग, मूवमेंट ऑफ हैंड्स, ये सब चीजें उसमें, कॉन्फिडेंस, ये सब चीजें जरूरी. बट उसने सबको एक साथ नहीं लिया. ही डिवाइडेड द इंस्ट्रक्टर, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्टर, ही डिवाइडेड देम इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. और डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में उसने क्या किया, हर एक्सरसाइज पे उसने प्रैक्टिस की. जैसे पहले उसने कुछ टाइम तक सिर्फ एक्सेलिंग, देन इनहेलिंग, देन टू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस, देन टू डिक्रीज द टेंशन, एंड देन ओनली पैडलिंग. ओके, for weeks I did just that. At first my legs refused to work. In the beginning his legs refused to work. They got frozen, but they gradually relaxed. But with his confidence or never giving up spirit that I am talking about all through this lecture, क्या हुआ कि they got relaxed. Okay, and finally I got to become a there was a time that he could command. Means they started moving according to his command, according to his will. Thus, and in this way, piece by piece, he built a swimmer. The instructor built a swimmer. Okay, means according to the instructor, he was a swimmer. And when he had perfected each piece, and when he had made the writer, when he made Dulgus perfect according to his, in each piece means each part, each skill. Okay, he put them together into an integrated one. He asked him to put them into. देखिए पहले तो उसने अलग अलग चीजों की, जैसे मैंने बताया एक्सेलिंग इनहेलिंग मूवमेंट ऑफ हैंड्स, मूवमेंट्स ऑफ लेग्स, गेन कॉन्फिडेंस, इन सब चीजों को अलग अलग किया। फिर जब उसको लगा कि ये सब चीजों की उसकी अच्छी सी प्रैक्टिस हो गई, तो उन सबको एक इंटीग्रेटेड फॉर्म में इकट्ठे उसने करने के लिए उसको। Now you can, in April he said, now you can swim. You are able to swim. Dive off and swim the length of the pool. Crawl stroke. Crawl stroke is a type of swimming type. Okay, skill. तो उसने कहा you are to do like means crawling stroke से आपको swimming करनी है, because you are perfected in each piece of swimming, each skill of swimming. I did that. The instructor was finished. उसने वैसे उसको repeat किया. And the job of the instructor got finished. But I was not finished. I still wondered if I would be terrestrial when I was alone in the pool. He is saying that I was wondering, I was thinking, miss, at this particular time he could feel confidence in the presence of the instructor. He could think that if any misadventure takes place, that he could save me. Okay, so that might be the logic behind that feeling confidence. So he wanted to try his swimming skills all alone, when he was all alone at the pool. Okay, so what did he do? I still wondered, he was still thinking, if I would be terrestrial when I was alone in the pool. क्या मैं जब पूल में अकेला रहूंगा तो भी मुझे डर लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा, है ना? इसकी प्रेजेंस में तो हो सकता है कि मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि भाई मेरे माइंड में ये कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा होगा, ये कुछ सेव तो मुझे डर नहीं लग रहा। तो he wanted to try, he wanted to check that in his when he will be alone, so he will be fear stricken or not. Okay, I tried it. He tried the same thing. I swam the length up and down, means from one side to the other. पूल को उसने स्विमिंग की teeny stages, small amounts में of the old terror to return, means that terror came, of course that terror came, but that terror came in small amounts. But now I could frown, he could means give a means angry look to that fear, है ना? He could be angry at that terror and say to that terror, trying to scare me, you are trying to make me afraid, डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो। Well, here is two, this is for you, look, and off I would go another length. And he tried for 1 month. So whenever he felt that terror, whenever he felt that weakness, he tried for 1 month. Okay. Now this went on until July. This after April, means April, May, June, and July. In these 4 months, he kept on practicing on his own. Okay, there is no race for coming first. There is no competition. This thing is done by the writer for his own internal satisfaction. कोई नहीं चाहता था कि मैं अपने अंदर कोई weakness रखूं. So in order to remove that weakness, he kept on practicing all alone for 4 months. Okay, so this is the way. This is the gateway of coming out of our weaknesses. But I was still not satisfied. Means even after practicing for 4 months in a pool, okay, he was not satisfied. And what did he do? I was not sure that all the terror had left, and he was not sure about this, that all the terror had left him. So I went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. So he went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, dived off a dock at Triggs Island, and he docks means dock, you can understand. And from Triggs Island, he jumped into the river. Okay, Lake Wentworth, and swam 2 miles across the lake to Stampact Island. This lake is situated between these 2 islands, Stampact and Triggs Island. So he jumped into the lake from Triggs Islands, and after swimming 2 miles. You may think that it is a very small distance. 2 miles is near about 3.2 kilometers, and swimming that distance is not even very easy. It is more easier to walk. So he swam that warm lake. So he swam in that lake Wentworth and he reached to Stamford Island. From एक island से जो उसने jump किया lake में और cross करके he went to the another shore of the lake that was Stamford Island. I swam the crawl, breaststroke, side stroke and backstroke. All the strokes of swimming he tried in that journey of 2 miles. Only once did the terror return. Only for one time that terror came to him. When I was in the middle of the lake, I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless water. When he was exact in the middle of the lake, he had that terror or fear. The old sensation returned in miniature, in small amounts. That terror or that fear or that sensation of that fear or terror came to him. Okay, in small amounts. I laughed and said, and what did he do? In spite of getting afraid, he started laughing. Oh well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me? You can do nothing. Okay, I fled and swam, and I kept on swimming. Yet I had residual doubts. Still he was not satisfied. Okay, he had practiced for 4 months in the pool. He had tried New Hampshire. Okay, in Lake still he was not fully satisfied. So what did he do? At my first opportunity, I headed west. He went to the west, went up the Teton to Conrad Meadows, up the Conrad Creek Trail to Midi Glacier. He reached to Midi Glacier and camped in the high meadow by the side of the warm lake. In the side of the warm lake, he put his camp. Okay, so he put his camp. वहाँ पर उसने अपना camp लगाया. The next morning, I stripped. Strip means to remove his clothes. He removed his clothes, dived into the lake. He dived into the lake and swam across to the other shore and back. And he went to the other shore of the lake and came back, just as Doug Corcoran used to do. Exactly in the manner as Doug Corcoran used to swim. I shouted with joy. Now he was satisfied. Now he had surety in his mind that he had conquered, he had overcome his fear of water. And Gilbert Peak returned the echo, and the echo of his sound, of his shout, came back to him. I had conquered my fear of water. Now he had certainty in his mind that he had conquered, that he had overcome, that he had defeated his fear of water. Okay. The experience had a deep meaning for me. And the writer is saying that this whole entire experience that started from 3 to 4, 10 to 11 and this up to the overcoming of this fear, all these things have a deep meaning for me. As only those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. And he is saying that this experience of mine can be appreciated by only those people who have felt such kind of fear in their lives. Means for an ordinary person, this is nothing. Means he can say, this is nothing. And he did not know how to swim, and he had learned swimming. That is all he has done. इसमें कुछ बड़ा नहीं किया, swimming नहीं आती थी, swimming सीखी है. That is all he has done. But he is saying that for one who has experienced such kind of weakness, such kind of handicap, and he has conquered that thing, only that person can appreciate this experience. As Roosevelt knew, there is sentence, in death there is peace. Yes. After death there is complete peace. According to the writer, complete peace. There is terror only in the fear of the death. Means as the fear. What is the fear? Fear is the fear of death. And this fear is up to, means as long as we are alive, we keep on feeling that fear. हमें ये डर लगता रहता है, और the fear of death. And he is saying that as Roosevelt knew when he said all we have to fear is fear itself. Roosevelt has told that important line. This is the summary of the chapter. All we have to fear is fear itself. What is the meaning of the line? Meaning of the line is that generally, look, see, क्या होता है हमारी लाइफ में, हम किन चीज़ों से डरते हैं? We are afraid. जिन चीज़ों से हम डरते हैं ना, we do not let them come in contact with us. हम उन चीज़ों को अपने पास नहीं आते, and neither we go to them. ना ही हम उनके पास सकते। तो the best funda to have a peaceful life, or to have a better life, to have a composed life, is to have a fear, is to fear itself. Is we should fear, we should be afraid of this element in our life. Is as long as we have fear of something, we cannot live a peaceful life. And as we start fearing the fear, means as we start moving away from this fear, है ना, क्योंकि हमें डर है, हमें डर को अपने पास नहीं आने देंगे, तो as soon as we start removing fear, eliminate fear our lives, we can enhance, we can start, we can enjoy a peaceful life. So that is the funda of life. That is the mantra of life. All we have to fear is fear itself. Means in our life, to have a peaceful, better, composed life, we should start eliminate fear from our lives. We should not have fear. पहली चीज तो ये है, ये पहला जो स्टेप था उसका स्विमिंग में वो क्या था, to feel confidence, to remove the fear. उसके बाद उसने प्रैक्टिस की. तो पहले तो if you have some kind of weakness, पहले तो आप उसका fear, उसका डर अपने मन से निकालिए. Then you start working on that. Okay, then you will be able to deal with that. Okay, because I have experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror of that fear of it can produce, the will to live somehow grew in interest. And because he is saying that I have felt that experience near to death, means in YMCA pool he was almost died. एक तरह से he was very near to that. Means there is a very thin line, है ना? He had experienced, he had traveled the journey to up to this point, and after that it was death. So he had experienced the fear of highest degree. He had experienced the sensation of highest degree. Now, जब उसने highest intensity का fear जो है वो देख लिया था, फील कर लिया था, तो he had nothing to fear about. अब उसको ये पता था इससे ज्यादा डर तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So इससे क्या हुआ, उसकी विल पावर जो है उसकी इंटेंसिटी ग्रो हुई, उसकी जो कॉन्फिडेंस है या उसकी जो डिटर्मिनेशन है वो ग्रो हुआ. एंड ऑल ही डिड आफ्टर दैट, all he did, he was managed to do was that he was able to overcome that. Okay, so that is the concept of life कि भाई as long as you have fear, first तो आप किसी weakness को overcome कर पाएंगे. Okay, so the first step to deal with that weakness, practice skills that are different things. तो first thing is to remove that fear कि भाई इससे हमें डर है या हम इस चीज को overcome नहीं कर सकते. तो जिस दिन आप ये चीज लर्न करेंगे to remove that fear, you can easily deal with that problem. At last I felt released, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and to brush aside fear. Now he was free, he can walk on the waves, he can climb the mountains, he can swim, and he was free एक तरह से, and he can put the fear aside, put the fear away from him. Okay, so he had eliminated that fear factor from his life. Now he was free. He could walk anywhere, he could climb the mountains, he could swim in water bodies. So now he was free. And how did that happen? That happened because of his continuous efforts, never giving up spirits, willpower, determination. That was, these four things were the root cause of his overcoming of his fear. Okay, so that is what we have in this chapter. I hope you have understood it. Thank you very much.